Thank you, Mickey. Safraz.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सबसे पहले, और जैसे कि मिक्की ने बताया एज अ कोच और एज अ कैप्टन भी मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमारी टीम की तैयारी बहुत अच्छी है और सारे लड़के वेल प्रिपेयर्ड हैं। यहाँ पे हमने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया है, 3-4 दिन जितना भी हमें टाइम मिला है, और उसके अलावा भी हमारे पास वहाँ पे टाइम है। और टीम बहुत ज़बरदस्त है हमारी, बड़ी बैलेंस टीम है। बैटिंग लाइनअप हमारी बहुत अच्छी है, बॉलर्स हमारे पास मौजूद हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह हम एज अ टीम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि वर्ल्ड कप में अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस का मुजाहिदा करें। और जैसे कि बताया कि हम सब कुछ जो है पूरी तरह तैयार होकर जा रहे हैं और इंशाल्लाह हम अपना बेस्ट से बेस्ट देने की कोशिश करेंगे वर्ल्ड कप में।
ओके, फर्स्ट पहले हम मिकी से क्वेश्चन लेंगे इन इंग्लिश, देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू सरफराज। शायद
Good luck, go Mission World Cup.
Thanks, Saeed.
What do you think Pakistan team are favorites or underdogs?
I think there's 10 very, very good cricket teams, and I think that's what makes this World Cup so special, is that you have to arrive every day. You have to put your best on for 10 games, and initial phase is to qualify and get into those top 4, and then hopefully take it from there. We know that if we play to our best of our ability, we have the potential to certainly go all the way. But as I've said before, there's a lot of very, very good cricket teams out there, and we're going to have to play very well.
Mickey, I think that the off-spin department of the team is looking somewhat weak in presence of Shoaib Malik and Hafiz, because both are not in their true form for the last many years. So how you will depend on these two guys when the other teams have around 20 batsmen, left-handed batsmen, and against, as you know, against left-handed batsmen, off spinner can be very much effective.
Yeah, that's a good question, and we have belief in Shoaib Malik. We have belief in Mohammad Hafiz. Mohammad Hafiz actually bowled a couple of balls yesterday at our training, which was pleasing to see. In terms of our squad balance and in terms of our strategy, they will play a role. We at least Safi has the ability to have off spinners at his disposal. We've made no secret of the fact that our strategy is going to be to attack. We're going to look to take wickets. We're going to look to take to bowl sides out, because I think that's how we're going to win games. That's our strength, and we feel we've got it covered now in all departments. We've got left arm spin, we've got leg spin, we've got left arm quick, we've got right arm pace, and we do have the ability of Malik and Hafiz to bowl off spin for us. So we think we've got all bases covered.
Mazhar?
Mickey, Babar Azam was yesterday asked about Pakistan's strike rate issues, and he said that he's number one.